Rivian is quietly hitting one of the most important milestones in its entire history, and it is happening sooner than many expected. The company has officially started producing validation units of the all-new R2 electric sport utility vehicle at its factory in Normal, Illinois. This is not a concept, not a prototype, and not a hand-built test mule. These are real production line vehicles built using the same tooling and processes that customer cars will use. This moment matters because the R2 is not just another model for Rivian. It is the vehicle designed to change the company's future. While the R1T and R1S helped establish the brand, they live firmly in the premium space. The R2 is meant to open the door to much higher volume, lower pricing, and a much broader audience. Internally, this has always been Rivian's most critical launch. Chief Executive Officer RJ Scaringe shared the update himself, confirming that validation units are now rolling off the line. That signals the final stage before saleable production begins. These vehicles are used for crash testing, regulatory certification, and official range validation, all steps that must be completed before customers can take delivery. To make this happen, Rivian shifted strategy. Instead of spreading resources across multiple sites, the company paused its Georgia factory plans and doubled down on its existing Illinois facility. The Normal plant was expanded by 1.1 million square feet and retooled in record time to support the R2 platform, all while keeping current production running. With validation builds starting in January, Rivian now appears well-positioned to begin customer deliveries in the first half of 2026. There is growing confidence that deliveries could begin as early as late Q1 or early Q2, assuming final testing stays on schedule. Pricing is another key reason the R2 matters. The vehicle is expected to start around $45,000, putting it directly in competition with the Tesla Model Y, currently the best-selling vehicle in the world. Rivian is expected to launch with a higher trim first, meaning early versions will likely come in above that base price.